To modify a patient's existing diagnosis, or to note that you will use that diagnosis for today's visit, click the Open icon for the diagnosis checklist. On the left, you will see a Chart Diagnoses section, which will list all the active and inactive diagnoses currently on this patient's chart. Click the Edit icon, which looks like a Post-it note, for the applicable diagnosis. This will launch the Details dialog, which will allow you to modify information, such as the order set used or the attached SNOMED. If no modification is required, just click OK to commit to your selection. You will then be taken back to the diagnosis checklist with the diagnosis now displaying in the Encounter Diagnoses section, which is used to list any diagnoses added or updated through this chart note. Conversely, if you need to note several diagnoses, instead of clicking each edit icon, simply click Select All Active. This will automatically queue all the active diagnoses for selection. Uncheck any that you didn't mean to select, and then click Accept. This will perform the same process as clicking Edit and OK, except with many less steps. If you used the Select All Active feature, but then want to document additional information for a particular diagnosis, click the Edit icon to do so. If you would like to remove a diagnosis from the chart, click the minus icon to the left of that diagnosis. When you are done modifying your diagnoses, click OK to close the dialog. You will then see the updated information populate your chart note and the face sheet.